Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Ford Escape SE, stock number E1719P. 60,000 miles on this Escape. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Tuxedo Black in color. Escape seats 5. Cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry along with touchpad entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And a large glove box with the owner's material inside. Under the hood, this Escape has a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 178 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates. An average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway. And ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Escape, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.